Frick.
And thunderstorms.
Oh. I think that's considered a seat. No, it's not. Alright, well, here we go. Why have Melbourne stations been so slow to relay stuff lately?
Melbourne has issued a special marine warning for Volusia, Brevard County, line to Sebastian,
come on, Melbourne, you
0
step
to
up
20
again.
nautical miles until 9
What's
p.m.
good in a
Eastern
way?
Daylight Time. At 7:23 p.m.
Wait a minute. Oh, okay.
Hazard. Wind gusts 34 knots or greater. Miles per
I
hour.
forgot to set the time on you.
Impact. Expect wind gusts in excess of 34 knots. Suddenly higher waves, lightning, and heavy downpours. Make sure all on board are wearing life jackets. Return to safe harbor if possible.
Don't mind my brother's
Locations impacted include Melbourne Beach, Spessard Holland Park, in the Atlantic, Grand Valkyria, and Malabar. Move to safe harbor immediately as gusty winds and high waves are expected.
Here's the last activation of the day.
The National Weather Service in Melbourne has issued a special marine warning for Volusia, Brevard County, line to Sebastian, inlet 0 to 20 nautical miles. Volusia, Brevard County, line to Sebastian, inlet 20 to 60 nautical miles until 9:45 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time. At 8:20 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time, a strong thunderstorm was located just offshore Patrick Space Force Base, moving northeast at 20 knots. Gusty outflow winds will lift north across Cape Canaveral and Merritt Island and adjacent waters. Hazard, wind gusts 34 knots or greater. Source, radar. Intact, expect wind gusts in excess of 34 knots, suddenly higher waves, lightning, and heavy downpours. Make sure all on board are wearing life jackets. Return to safe harbor if possible. Locations impacted include Patrick Air Force Base, Satellite Beach, South Patrick Shores, Indian Harbor Beach, and Cocoa Beach. Move to safe harbor immediately as gusty winds and high waves are expected.
Whoa. Yup, marine warning. Called it. Why in the world is IEM bot there? You see, look at that. Terrible timing. That's why I missed alerts.
Special marine warning. The National Weather Service in Melbourne has issued a special marine warning for Flagler Beach to Volusia, Brevard County,
chaotic
line 0
outside.
to 20 nautical miles. Volusia, Brevard County, line to Sebastian, inlet 0 to 20 nautical miles until 9:45 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time. At 7:50 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time, gusty outflow winds were located over Edgewater, moving northeast at 20 knots. Additional storms will push offshore Volusia County through 9 p.m. Hazard, wind gusts 34 knots or greater. Source, radar. Impact, expect wind gusts in excess of 34 knots, suddenly higher waves, lightning, and heavy downpours. Make sure all on board are wearing life jackets. Return to safe harbor if possible. Locations impacted include Daytona Beach, New Smyrna Beach, Buffalo Beach, Turtle Mound, Edgewater, Eldora, and Apollo Beach. Move to safe harbor immediately as gusty winds and high waves are expected.
What is that? Okay.
This is NOAA Weather Radio. Any chance of thunderstorms in the morning.
Okay. Oh, here we go. Finally. Boy, activate. I am commanding you to go off. There you go. There you go. Finally. I think you might need some new batteries.
Bill receivers are activated by the signal to warn of severe weather or other hazards. Tests are normally conducted each Wednesday.
Somebody's getting bad reception.
And again between 6 and 8 p.m. If severe weather is expected on Wednesday, the test will be postponed until the next day, weather permitting. For
Whoa!
warning signals.
You activated an unrecognized message.
This variability,
It's 'cause of your
noticeable
reception.
at greater distances from the transmitter, can result even though you are using a good quality receiver in perfect working order. Warning alarm tones are activated on transmitters for counties where the signal is reliably received in sufficient strength for consistent and dependable service. For station KIH 2016 Daytona Beach, warning alerts will be activated for Volusia, Flagler, Putnam, Lake, Seminole, Brevard, and Orange counties. For station KIH 63 in Orlando, warning alerts will be activated for Brevard, Lake, Orange, Osceola, Polk, Seminole, and Volusia
Why is it
counties.
so blurry?
For station WXJ70 in Melbourne, warning alerts will be activated for Brevard, Indian River, Orange, and Osceola counties. For station WWF69 in Fort Pierce, warning alerts will be activated for Indian River, Martin, Okeechobee, and St. Lucie counties. This has been a test of